Friends and family, my fans, I know say as I go even appear now say Mama JP don't come again. Now true life story now they tell you now. Africa true life story. Now they talk. So that we go dey learn. So they say no matter how dark the night go be, day go surely come. Wetin I wan tell una so concern the house girl wey we dey take dey stay. My sisters, especially women, remember that any girl wey you take wey wan stay with you for some time, come serve you, treat am well. Those girls, dem come from family o. Na papa born dem, na mama born dem. Na condition na im make crayfish bend. Some dey wey dem go don finish primary school, their mama go say make dem go work, make dem take further. Na because of money na im go come your house. Some women go get house girl, dem go dey use am like rag. Your house girl go dey eat for kitchen, your children go dey eat for table. Your house girl go dey sleep for mat, your children go dey sleep for bed. You don forget say as you carry your children for belle, na so the house girl mama still carry am. Na opportunity na you get. Maybe one of these days too, that woman go still get am. If you see anybody wey e weak, make am strong. Nobody know tomorrow. The house girl wey you carry stay today, treat am well, tomorrow your children go meet am. If you treat am bad, na the seed wey you dey sow na your children go reap for future. Ladies of nowadays, una dey treat una house girl as una own blood children or blood sister. So even dey sef, even if na im blood sister, you go still treat am the way you go treat am. House girl go lost money, you go say if you no see that money, make you no come house, you go drive am come out, comot for your house for night because you don dey ride car. That car you bring am come for heaven. Were you born with silver spoon? You know the future of that house girl. Why you go dey treat am as if na nobody, as if e no get papa, e no get mama? House girl go do something, dem go your children go do something, dem dey beat house girl because e dey stay with you, because you dey feed am. Dem go, you go cook finish, you go give your children, you no go give house girl. When your children don eat finish, the remnant na you go give the house girl. Una even get conscience. Who give pikin out for house girl? No be say e dey happy, na because of condition. If you get money wey go take sponsor a pikin, you no go give am out. If you get money wey go take feed am, you no go give am out. And that girl wey e dey there, e dey work for you. E go wash clothes, e go sweep, e go clean everywhere. At times you go still even say make e go hawk come for you. At the end of the day, you no go treat am well. God dey watch you. God dey watch you. One woman drive her house girl comot around 10 o'clock in the night because of 15 naira. They see say this pikin dey roll about for street, e go waka go this side, waka go this side. Na one woman come call am say, come, wetin you dey find? He say he lost 15 naira as he go buy something. He aunty say make he go find the money. If you no see am, make he no come back home. Na the woman come say, where your house dey? He come tell am. Na the woman say, okay, go. Night don dey come and this area no good. As he reach there, he knock, the gate man open. Na the woman come tell the gate man say, you see say this small pikin wan go out, you no fit go beg your aunty. Na the gate man say, mama, na because me no get where I go get another job o. That woman too wicked. I don beg the woman. He say if I talk again, I go lose my job. Then the woman come say, yeah. Then I say, carry me go your madam apartment. Na this woman husband na get the house o. When he come reach there, he come know. Who is that discuss? Who is that disturbing my peace? Who is that discussing my matter? Then the woman come say, sorry ma, na me o, from your neighbor, for your neighborhood. Come say, wetin you want me I do for you? Then I say, no, I just come see you madam for important matter. Come say, now I come down with the short knicker wey e wear. E remain small make dem dey see her private parts. The woman first of all look am shake her head. Then come say, ma, I see dis small pikin for road. E just dey waka dey go up and down. That make me say, may I call her? As I call her, na come tell me say she lost 15 naira. Now you say me go find the money. Now I come tell the woman say, thank you madam for your help. Thank you ma, but if you no see my 15 naira, you no go enter this house. Now the woman come tell am say, madam, as you be so, 100,000 no be your problem. Because this small girl na house girl, then you dey treat am like this. Now you come ask the woman say, how that one come take be your business? You wan drink panadol for another person headache? Then the woman come say, God go judge you. God na go judge you. Then you come say, you dey there wey go take this pikin for village. Im mama no dey see food eat. E no dey see wrapper tie. Now you go take am. As if dey do the good things for dem, go come dey spoil her things. Then the woman come say, wetin spoil? 15 naira. I say, he don tell you say God go judge you. As he wan go, na the girl come tell am say, aunty, go beat me. Na the woman say, he no fit carry you. Because if he carry you go him house, na another case. Na this woman, he don see am say na wicked person, na go put for head. As he wan comot, na the woman come ask the gate man say, where your husband? He say him husband no dey stay Nigeria. He say, na the gate man tell the woman say, that house girl no be from another person o, na the sister-in-law na im born the house girl. But the sister-in-law don lost her husband and e born plenty. Na im just share dem. Na the woman shake head. He come say, well, God go help the girl. Na the woman take comot. The following morning, he come, he say no fit sleep. Na gate man tell am say, he drive the girl, na outside the girl sleep. That kind person, how you na think say God go bless am? As he just dey mansion now, he dey happy o. Say she dey on top of the world. Any car, type of any brand of car, na she dey ride. Her children dey the best school. This pikin, you no put am for school. Which kind help you come dey do for your sister-in-law? If you no wan help, leave am. And his sister-in-law go dey think say im pikin dey Lagos, e just dey enjoy. E dey Abuja, e just dey enjoy. No know say the pikin e dey suffer. If this pikin reach 12 to 15 years for that woman hand, e go run. Now I look am, now I come laugh say, human being wicked. Me wey dey talk so, I know say some people fit not believe, some go still believe. When I just marry, I get house girl wey dey stay for me. This girl come from Akwa Ibom. Very nice girl. Very, very nice girl. Before, when they bring this girl for me, na my husband friend na bring am. When they bring the girl go don reach 18 to 20 that time. Na im come call me. Na small I take senior that girl was that time when I marry. Na the girl come call me say, aunty, he say every Saturday e get where she dey go visit her brothers. Now I say, okay, no wahala. That Saturday morning, before 6:30 in the morning, that girl don finish the housework. He go sweep, he go wash, he go still iron my daughter clothes. In case if dem no come bring light when she go come in the night, so that he go see where go church the following day. Nothing wey that girl no dey do. Excuse me. Everything for the house na she dey do. He go cook and she can cook. He go come wash motor join am. Na girl o, no be boy. go wash inside and outside of the car. Even my neighbor sef, na wey come from Akwa Ibom come dey tell me say, you no see as our people dey work. Now I say I dey see am. Nothing. If I get money, na dis girl na dey give me hope. If my husband give me money for monthly money wey dey give me, if I no use am finish, I give dis girl make e hold am. If e do something wey good, talk am. If e do bad, talk am. No talk the one wey bad o. Make you come talk the only one wey good. Make people for dey blame the person. After about 3 years wey dis girl take stay with me, one day I come go market. When I go market, as I come dey come, I just see say the whole gate for house just open, go reach the sitting room. Where dis girl come go? The girl name na Vero. If e still dey alive, na I pray make she still dey. If e see my face, if e go still recognize me, e go know say na she I dey talk. I just say, where my pikin? Dat one dey sleep. Where dis girl come go? I enter everywhere, I no see am. My kitchen door, e get one hole wey e dey. I come from there look kitchen. I don come pass back. I come mean say dis girl e dey press lime. Cup just full. My mind just tell me say make I no push the door open. As e press the lime, e come put potash. The thing come dey fall. E wan put am for mouth. Now I just push the door. The cup just fall from her hand. Now I say, Vero, wetin happen? You wan kill yourself? Wetin dey happen? Why you dey do dis one to yourself? She come dey cry, e dey shake. I come say, me no know say e get belle o. Before God and man, no know. Now I go call dat my neighbor wey come from her place too. Now come see wetin your sister dey do. Na dat one come dey speak their language, take dey ask am, wetin, why you come dey do like dis? You dey hungry? No. Your madam dey maltreat you because e dey see. You be like junior sister to dis lady. Wetin dey happen? You come say e get belle. The woman no tell me. Now I say, Vero, comot for my kitchen. I no know why you wan kill yourself o. When me come dey talk, na the woman come laugh. Now I come say, come. We come go outside. Say e get belle. E wan spoil am. Now I say, dat lime wey just full plastic cup, if e drink dat one, shebi all her intestine go pieces. Then the woman come dey laugh say, me know whether I dey do am before. Now I say, no be my house e go do dat one. And dat day, my husband travel. I come dey fear. Whether I don first drink, I no know. So now the woman say, no, never drink. Now I come call am for night. Now I say, Vero, you get belle? E dey look me. Vero, you get belle? I say, your sister no wan tell me wetin una take una language discuss. You get belle? He say, no. Now I say, if you no tell me the truth, tomorrow I'll carry you go hospital. Now I come say, e get belle. Now I say, person wey you dey go see every Saturday, na your boyfriend? He say, yes. I say, but you tell me say na your brother now. Why you no come? Why you wan spoil the pikin? You don reach to marry. Now he come dey look me. Later I come dey die, dey beg me say, may I no vex. Now I say, you no offend me o. Na your life na dey more important to me pass. It was say you just tell me, I'll say, okay. I know how I go take talk to my husband, make he let you go. But this one wey you dey wan come put me for trouble. One, my husband no know wetin happen. People go say, na me kill you. Come dey cry, dey beg. The sisters too come dey come join am. But that her sister, na there dem meet o. Dem no know each other before because they just dey speak the same language. Now he come dey beg, he dey beg. Now I say make e get up. Wetin you go come do now? Where the boy dey? He come tell me. Now I say, okay. I come dey think wetin I go do. Wetin I go do. So the following day, na my husband go come back from travel. As my husband just come back for travel, this girl just greet my husband, help am pack things, enter from the car, enter house. I no even get am for mind say I go tell my husband that thing that very day. So The following morning, she baff my pikin, carry am go school. That was the end. I no see dis girl again. Till today, I no know how e take comot. She pack her things, so I no know when e take carry her things comot. Wetin dis girl come do wey surprise me? All the money wey I dey give dis girl, all the clothes wey I buy, wey I dey keep for her side, you know say dis girl no take one. E no take my kobo, e no take my clothes. The things wey I give her na she carry. The ones wey I no give am, she no touch am. The thing come pain me. Say wetin I bin get for mind say if my husband come, I tell my husband, I will just tell my husband say abeg make e carry us go meet the boy. If na small marriage make we do for there, make she just start her life. E no dey my mind say she go run, but the thing come surprise me. The boy wey bring am come for us, na we go see am. Na the boy say he no see the girl o, but he know the boy wey dey friend am. He go go check. As the boy go there, he say dem don go village. Now say thank God, say nothing happen to the girl. If to say he thief me, I go talk am. She no dey here now. If to say he do anything, but that is the only thing wey she do wey I no come like. Na wetin he do now I talk so the girl no dey thief o. Na only that thing na she do. My sisters, especially ladies, especially women, any strange person dey stay with you, especially if na you go bring am come, abeg treat am well. Even if na your sister-in-law, treat am well. If you dey treat am well, e dey do you bad, one day e go still marry. Love karma, e no dey lost. E go come back to am. But when you dey do am well, God go dey bless you. Some house girl dey, when dem don comot for your place, the way wey God go take elevate dem, you go surprise. Maybe one of these days your pikin go come across am. Na wetin you do to that girl, na go take pay your pikin. Abeg my sister, make we dey do good. Good thing no dey lost o. If you do good, you go reap. If you do bad, you go reap bad. So na that little message na I just get for una. Abeg make una change because of our children wey dey grow dey come. Because you no go see baba, mama till day break o. You no know wetin future still get for you and those children. So do good to everybody. Be kind to everybody. If you see who weak, make am strong. If you see who dey hungry, give am. If you no get and e suspect say you get, God dey see your heart. If una know say una learn anything from this short story, abeg make una click and share, then still give your comment for the comment section. Thank you.